Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OPPO Ace2 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options like browsing history, tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. You can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, 4 weeks or all time, it's up to you, and tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them. So saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. We can also change the time range to all time to 7 days. It's totally up to you, and then tap on delete data, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.